Hi Stampers, this is Dawn and today we're going to make this cute little Halloween toolbox. I seen Chris, I think her last name is Slogar, her cute little toolbox on her video channel. Oh my gosh. So I put my little twist on it, decorating it for Halloween. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so I'm going to be using the basic black and you're going to cut this at 5.5 by 8.5. We're going to cut this with the die cut machine, and I've already pre-cut mine, but I'm going to show you exactly what to do. And then I have 2 pieces of pumpkin pie, and these are both cut at 1.5 by 2 1/8, and you'll need 2 of those. Okay, so let's grab our machine. Okay, so this is the little treat box dies, and this is the piece we're going to use today. This also comes in a bundle with the little treats stamp set, which we're using the Happy Happy Halloween for the greeting. So cute. So we're going to use this die. And I'm going to extend this candy treat box here to make it look like a toolbox. It's so cute. Okay, so what you're going to do, hopefully this is in camera. Let me scoot this down a little bit more. Okay, so what you're going to do is this is 5.5 inch wide, so it fits perfectly with just a smidge overhanging. And then what you're going to do is you're going to take that scallop edge right here, right to the edge of the cardstock. So right on the edge over here, and then also at the edge on the top. Okay, right there. Then you're going to take your second acrylic. So I'm using 1, 2, and 3, and then my third acrylic. And then I'm going to set this right on top of only half of it. So this top half right here is the only piece that's going to get cut. This piece will not get cut. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and cut this with you. So we're going to go ahead and send that through. Then we're going to flip it around. And now I'm going to see how it just cut that end right there. Now we're going to flip it on the other end and do the exact same thing. So we're going to line up the scallop at the end. And then I'm going to line up the edge of the cardstock. Just like that. Okay. Then we're going to take our second acrylic. So now we're going to cut the other half of the cardstock. So we're going to run that through. Okay. So now this is what your piece should look like. Okay. So we're going to snip these little edges here. So let's go ahead and move the machine. Okay, so let's bring in our piece. Now remember we have our little tiny pieces overhanging here, so we're just going to go ahead and snip those off. Okay, now when you're putting this little treat box together, normally you're going to still put the box together. It's just we're making it bigger like a little toolbox. We're going to burnish these edges that were scored with the die. And then you're going to put these 2 sides together. There's a little slit cut here. So there's a little cut here. You can see that. Let me put that under here like this. So this little edge right here is going to get tucked into that. Just like that. And then this side as well. Just going to tuck that into here. Okay. And then we're going to put adhesive. And I'm going to use the liquid glue on mine today. So I'm going to grab that. Put some liquid glue on this edge right here on side of the boxes. And I'll bring that up. I'm just going to hold that in place just for a couple minutes. You could also use tear and tape if you wanted. Okay, so we're going to set that aside to dry a little bit. Okay, so here's my pumpkin pie pieces. We're going to add these to the front and to the back right here. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and decorate it. And I already went ahead and cut out the black glitter paper with the scallop circle from the layering circle dies, and then also the bats. And I went ahead and already put the mini black dimensional on the back of those. Save some time. Is also from the layering circle dies. That's going to layer onto the scallop. Then I went ahead and tied a little bow with the black glittered ribbon. This is going to get popped up on dimensionals. Then we're going to put my greeting on the front. Okay, before I put my bow on, I'm going to put my handle through my little treat toppers right here. And you can see that there's a little punch out already. But I'm going to grab my little hole punch from my crocodile, and I'm going to make that hole a little bit bigger, because these are the straws that I got from my dollar store. You can see them right here. They're Halloween themed with the orange and black. So I've already got one out here. So let me grab that and my crocodile. I'm going to use the 3/16 inch side of my crocodile this time. And I'm going to punch the other side of my little treat holder here. So cute. All right, let's grab our straw. And these are just paper straws, so they're just going to feed through this little hole punch right there. And I find that if you cut this right, you could probably get at least 2 of the handles for 2 little treat boxes. So I'm going to go ahead and cut this one right about here. And then it flattens it, but with it being paper, you can just make it round again. And then just center that. Isn't that cute? Oh my gosh, so adorable. And then we're going to attach the bow right over here to the front of the greeting with the glue dot. Okay, we're going to put our bow on here. And there you go. That's your cute little toolbox. And this version is for Halloween. Oh my gosh, I love it. And then this is what it looks like when it's all stuffed with candy. It's got, oh my gosh, it's got a big assortment of candy inside there. Isn't it cute? Adorable. Okay, so if you have any questions, just let me know, and I'll have all the items listed down below. And then don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel so you don't miss any future videos. Okay, thanks for stopping by. We'll see you later. Bye.